first video since the Easter break. I hope you all had a good rest and enjoyed the sunshine. Just a slightly different thing for this video today. Quite a few people have been saying to me they'd like to have a go at learning the tunes that I've been doing, but they don't actually have a keyboard at home. So I thought I'd show you how you can use an app on your tablet to play the keyboard, just like this one here. So the app I'm going to show you is called Mini Piano Lite, which is just this one here. If I tap on it, you can see that it opens up to look like a piano on your tablet. It's free to download in the App Store for iPad and for tablets, but as you can see across the top here we've got adverts that keep popping up and will gradually change as you go. So I'm just going to cover those up because it's probably a bit distracting really. You can use anything you want, but I'm just going to stick my iPad cover over the top of it. So basically you can just get started straight away playing it as if it was a piano. So obviously the only difference is when you play a normal piano the keys will go up and down, so it's got a different feel, but other than that, I mean, at the moment it's the right sort of size and things. If you find that your tablet is a lot bigger or a lot smaller and the keys are too far apart or too close together, you can use the plus and minus signs down here to make it either bigger or smaller. So if we do this, you can see the keys get bigger. Obviously, if they get bigger, you're getting less keys on the screen, and as you get smaller, they start to look quite skinny, which makes it quite difficult to play. You can see now my finger barely fits into these keys. So you want to try and get a nice level where you can get a decent amount of keys on the screen, but you can still actually hit to play them. So I'm going to make that a little bit bigger again. So if you look at the bottom of the screen, you can see there's a shaded area, and this is the part that you can see on the main screen. So at the moment, I've got it set so middle C is here, right in the centre, and you can see a few notes either side of it. If you wanted to play higher notes, you just grab this shaded bit and drag it along up to the higher notes, and then you can hear you up higher on the keyboard instead. So another cool thing it does is there's a button up in this corner here, which looks like a little grand piano. If you press that, you can see there's a big list of different instruments that you can choose, and you can scroll down through all different instruments and choose any of them you want. I'll just choose for the moment a violin, and then when you go back to the keyboard play, you can hear it sounds more like a violin. Okay, so that's quite a fun thing to have a go at. There's some variations between the two versions. If you have it on tablet, there's something else it does which I'll just show you now. So here's the Android version of it that's on a Kindle Fire tablet, and you can see it looks pretty much the same. You've got the same piano layout here with the shaded part that you move along to choose whereabouts on the keyboard you want to be playing. You've also got the plus and minus signs in the bottom down here to make the keys bigger or smaller. On the iPad version, the symbol up here to change the sound was a little circular symbol with a grand piano picture on it. This one is like a tiny picture of a keyboard. You press that one to change the sounds. But what is different on the Android version is you've got the facility to record and play back, which is quite nice. So if I just show you really quickly, the circular one here is the record button, and it's saying recording started. So I'm just going to play a couple of notes, and then you press it again, it stops. And when it stops it, it asks you if you want to save it. So you could just save as what it comes up. Mine's just saying 3 recording, and hit the save button, and it's saved, and you'll be able to play it back then by hitting the one with the little circle in it. So that's what I recorded. If you didn't want to save it, you just hit discard instead of save when you get to that point. So that can be quite fun. You can try all sorts of different sounds and have a real play around with it and see how you get on. So you can get this app on iPad, on Android, on phones as well. So there's lots of different options for you to have a go at. The easiest way of doing it would be to watch the YouTube videos I've been doing on a TV that's got YouTube, and then use the tablet to play along. If usually you would use your tablet to watch the YouTube videos, then I would say if you've got a phone that you can watch YouTube on and still use the tablet to play, that's the easiest way around. Because if you use a phone, the keys are going to be a lot smaller and it's going to be quite difficult to play. So ideally keep the largest thing for the actual playing. I hope this is helpful. I hope this means that lots more people will be able to have a go at these tunes that wouldn't usually have a try. Feel free to share this with any friends that you think might like to have a go at it. You can hit the like button to this video, and you can subscribe, which means you'll see all the rest of the videos I've had a go at. And if there's any songs you'd like to request, or you'd like to let me know how you got on with this app or any of the tunes I've done, then scroll on down and you can leave a comment at the bottom. Have fun!